Hey, what's up? Today we will make an awesome and a beautiful project. Here it is. Dun, ta-da! As you see, the project is quite simple and looking awesome, right? So the project has so many hidden content and properties. Like here we can see here is a word, right? But first five letter has a different color and last four letters have a different color. How it will happen? We will go to the project and see how we can make this project. And another is here, whenever hover upon this it changing its color, right? And in last, whenever hover here, it will change color and become big as well. So we will see all this in the in the coding part. So let's start the coding part.